global access forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying: it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market.
This is magic bomb strategy, volatility 75 magic bomb strategy. You can see market is currently reading $18,000. So what is magic bomb strategy? Magic bomb strategy is a strategy that is built based on highs and low system. What is base and highest low system? Base and highest low system is a kind of system that identifies the basic average true range high of every candle after a very period of time specified. So we use a 50 exponential moving average as our trigger entry value for the average true range of that particular market in the highs and low system. That's how the strategy was built, and the same system we used to develop our bolt. And you can see the magic return and the magic profit it gives. This is at non-global access forex. You can see some running trades. You can see we have a very huge trade, Market is currently reacting to an area of value, and we have already captured our entries for long time now. You see, market was able to break this level at this highs, come and retested it, and after the first retest, that's when we were able to capture our entry using the 1 minute time frame and look at it. This is where we get our first confirmation here. For those that have the margin bomb strategy, we have our first confirmation, we have our second confirmation here, and third confirmation here, and that's how we were able to capture our swing. So this is at non-global access forex. The strategy is good. You can use it to trade boom and crash. You can also use it to trade volatility 75 index, but it's the best for trading volatility 75 index because it's a strategy that you can use to scalp your market at any time. You can see currently $20,000 reading. With just $976. With just $976 in the account, balance equity. So for you to understand that this is serious, magic bomb strategy. With just one entry and one signal, we are able to capture more than $20,000 gallant profit from this strategy. You can be able to check our trades have been placed on the 14th of February or 14th of October. 14th of October 2021. This is the current time frame our market has been captured. I'm currently with you now. I'm going to close some of these positions right now with you to be able to tell you that this magic bomb strategy is a killer. 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 You see? So it's very cheap. You can be able to contact me or contact my support managers or log into our website aga-forex.com to be able to book your strategy and get the same result we have. This is at non-global access forex. Nice to talk to you now. And for those that have the strategy, I'm going to release the new updates this week, please. So try and contact me so that I can be able to have the new update. This is at non-global access forex. Nice to talk to you now. See you in my next video. Bye.